Hi guys, welcome to Abhinav's world. Today we are unboxing a clay. So these are opened here. I already opened it. So this is not an unboxing video. It's kinda unboxing video. Okay, we have these cutters. It was on here. I opened it already. See the package. So this is I think this is a bird. This is a ship. This is, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. And this is a plane. Ooh, aeroplane. It's just non-toxic and safe for kids. Ages 3 plus, and it's 8 shades and 2 fluorescent shades. You know what is fluorescent shades? Let me tell you. The fluorescent shades are orange and pink. It is written in the box. These two colors are fluorescent shades. So this is the color red. Let me open it. See, it is so satisfying. On to the next, my friends. The next we are opening is white. This is the white. Let me open it. See, it's very amazing, this clay. It's free and educational, these things. It's for kids like me. On to the next one, guys. Let me put this in the right order. And the first fluorescent shade, pink. Let me open it. Okay, this is a little mess, but it's amazing. Look it, guys. Ooh, very interesting, right? Oh, it's so squishy. The colors are so squishy. Yeah, love it. On to the next. Let me close this thing. Yeah. On to the next one, guys. Wait, we have to put this thing. Now it's the second fluorescent shade, orange. Let me open it. Look. I think the fluorescent shades are very light, you know. Look at it. We have these 4 things. Green. Now. Very hard to open. Okay. Look. The squishiest thing I ever had. So squishy. Put this. Now the yellow. My third favorite color. It's hurts. Look. So squishy. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe it. If you want to buy it, Actually, I got this from my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday. That's why I got this as a birthday gift. Means it was for me as free. Now we have the color too. Blue and purple. My fourth favorite color. Pore. Look it. The blue. It's like this. See it, guys? Do you see it? Okay. And last but not least, the purple. 3, 2, 1, 3. Look, it is the darkest of all. Then the others. The darkest. Okay. Now look at all this. Is there any other things like, oh, let me play with the dough. If I make here green and open it for a sec. I opened it. You see it? Put this thing right back to place. If I take out this, oh my, it's so sticky. Let me take out. Oh, it's so sticky, man. Now look at this. Gotta play with this thing. Wow. Never seen this type of clay in my life. We press it hardly. Press it and press it until it's all squished. Now see, my friend has it, but I do not have. Now I'm happy that I have now it, and we have to take out this part. Do you have any other clay, guys? Let me know in the comments. Okay? Good, okay. Or else mom will beat me with slippers. Or I don't know what will happen my feet. Putting right here. Oh, stuck here. Such a stucker it is. Yeah. I'm showing you just an example of how to do it. Go extra. Wait, huh? Wait for a minute. I need to do something. it later. Look at it. How do I open this? How do I do it? Eh? Is it just like this? Or what? Oh, we need to open this. I never play with clay. I had once clay, but it disappeared. Disappearance of my clay. Or death. Whatever. Oh. It's so sticky. I even cannot get it out. So it might have get crashed a little bit, but it's okay. You can try it later. It went this, but it was like this. Sorry. Guys, if you want to try it, please subscribe me to get this thing. Okay guys, you have to subscribe me. I have to get 10 subscribers. At least 10 subscribers, guys. I'm doing this much progress. Okay. Hope you liked the video. Bye bye.